Hi guys, welcome back to 375 Dance Studio. My name's Amanda and today we're going to be doing a 13-minute intermediate workout. We're going to start with a little stretch, we're going to get into swing, then a cha-cha, then mambo, and then American rumba. Alrighty guys, we're going to do a little stretch. Let's open up our legs, hands on our hips, and we're going to do big circles with our hips. Circle, keep going, big circles. Very good. And now other side, big circles. Keep going. Very good. Open up your arms to the side. Reach over to the side. Hold it there. Now touch that toe. Keep those legs nice and straight. Very good. Come up, arms open. And right arm over to the side. Very good. Touch that toe. Hold it there. Keep those legs nice and straight. Very good. Come up. Reach those arms up. And bring it down into the center. Reach as far as you can with still keeping your legs straight. And slowly roll up, chin to chest. And arms open to the side and big circles with the arms. Circle, 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 other way. Circle. And other arm. Circle. Very good. And other way. And tiny circles, tiny, with one arm. 5, 6, other way. Tiny, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and other arm. Tiny, tiny, tiny. Really get those arms working. And other way. Tiny, 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 tiny. Very good. Bring those feet together. Hands on our hips. We're going to go up on our toes and down. Up on our toes and down. Up on our toes and hold it up. Hold it there. And 3, 2, and 1. And come down. We're going to do heels and toes with our right foot. Heels, toes, heels, toes, toes. Heels and other foot. Heel, toe, heel, toe, and toe, heel, and very good. Okay, guys, very good. We have our swing. Let's start with our right foot going back. Ready, go. Rock, step, step, step. Rock, step, step, step. Rock, step, step. Keep going. Rock, step, step, step. And other side. Rock, step, step, step. Very good. Other side. Other side. Keep going. Get those arms pumping. And now we're going to rock on both sides. Rock, step, rock, step, rock, step, rock, step, rock, step, rock, step. And now we're going to go rock, step, step, rock, turn. We're always turning over that right for now. Keep going, turn over that right. Very good. And now the other side. Turn over that left. Turn, good. Keep going. Turn over that left. To the basic. Step, step. Other side. Rock, step, step, step. Rock, step, step, step. Rock, step, step. And done. Very good, guys. Alrighty, our next dance is cha-cha. We're going to start with a shoulder to shoulder. Right foot is prepared to dance. Ready? And 2, 3. Stepping forward. Cha-cha-cha. Forward. Cha-cha-cha. Really start to pump those arms, guys. Get your arms involved. Now back, stepping back. Keep going, do it again. Keep going, back. Very good. After this, we're gonna do chase. Ready? Lock, step, and turn. And feet together. Lock, step, back, do it again. Turn. Lock, step, turn. Feet together, in, out, lock, step, back. Do it again. Turn. Feet together. And time, step, here we go. And together. We're gonna syncopate it, here we go. Syncopate it, back to the time step. And 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. Syncopate it. Time step. Syncopate, here we go. 2, 3. Back to that time step. And here we go, shoulder to shoulder. We're gonna step forward, go. Forward. Pump those arms. Keep on going. Step forward. Very good. We're gonna change it to that back. Here we go, stepping back. Very good. Let's get into that chase. Here we go. Turn. And turn. And stop. Very good. All right, guys. We have Mambo. We are going to start with a basic and a turn. Ready? And here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And turn. Back to the basic. And turn. Do it again. Basic. And turn. Again. Good. Get those arms pumping. And fifth position. Back. Back. Keep going. Good. We're gonna go back to that basic with a turn. Basic and turn. Again. And turn. Turn. Ready? Fifth position, go. And back. Very good. We're going to do crosses and jumps. Here we go. Cross, jump, cross, jump, cross, jump. Other side, go. Cross, jump, cross, jump, cross, jump. And back to that basic. 3, 4. Turn. 2, 3, 4. And turn. Fifth position, go. Back. 2, 3, 4. Basic, go, and 2, 3, 4. Turn. Basic, and turn. Fifth position, go. 5, 6. Ready? Crosses, jump. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Other side, go. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Back to that basic end. 2, 3, 4. Turn. Turn. Fifth position breaks, go. Back to that basic end turn, go. Very good. Alrighty guys, last but not least, we have our American Rumba for our cool down. Stand on the spot, get those hips working, breathe in through your nose and out of your mouth. 5, ready? Here we and go slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Getting into a nice box step. Quick, 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 quick. Keep going. Very good. We're gonna do cucaracha. We're gonna step, side and forward, side and forward, side, and now we go back, back, side, back, side, back, side, back, side, forward, together and side, together, side, together, side, together. Keep going. Box step, here we go. Back. Keep going. Very good. We're gonna do those cucarachas forward. T, forward, side, forward, side. Now bring it back. Back, side, back, side, back, side, back. Feet together, boom. Together, together, side. Together, together, side. Keep going. Work your hips. Back to that box. Here we go. And done. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for watching this video and thank you so much for all your support. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe to our channel to help us grow. Thanks for watching. Bye.